everyone, and welcome back to another episode of Weather Watch. Today's topic is that subject of much debate, climate change. So let's start with the basics. What is climate change? Climate change is a change in the statistical distribution of weather patterns that lasts for an extended period of time. Now, for the most part, climate change is an extremely natural process. In just the last 650,000 years, there have been 7 cycles of glacial advance and retreat that mark some of the more drastic events in Earth's climate change history. Now, the most recent, of course, was the end of the last ice age about 7,000 years ago that marked the beginning of modern climate era and of human civilization. Typically, climate change is caused by biotic processes, variations in solar radiation received by the Earth, plate tectonics, or volcanic eruptions. However, the current warming trend is different. Studies show that it is very likely human-induced and is proceeding at a rate that is unprecedented in the last 1,300 years. There are many effects of climate change, from a change in sea and precipitation levels to a change in temperature. And let's take a look at this video released by NASA, which shows global temperature over the past 131 years. As you can see, global temperature has been on the rise. The last 30 years in particular have seen an incredibly rapid increase. Now, we here at Weather Watch decided to do some of our own research into this topic. Using data gathered from Northern Virginia and Colorado over the decade from 2005 to 2015, we have put together an analysis of trends in maximum temperature over the decade. Our data shows that the maximum temperature in December in Colorado has increased at a rate of roughly 0.09 degrees a year over the period of 10 years. Virginia, on the other hand, has actually seen a decrease in maximum temperature in December at a rate of roughly 0.12 degrees over a period of 10 years. Now, despite the differences in trend, both locations featured temperatures an average of 1 degree higher than the average of the previous decade. This data matches up with that collected by NASA and other organizations worldwide. While 1 degree a decade may not seem like that drastic a difference, it is entirely unprecedented. And a change in temperature is just one side effect of global warming. When compounded with the other effects of climate change, this 1 degree could and is having a negative effect on ecosystems worldwide. So the question is, what are we going to do about it?